aspiring for finance courses and not really sure what courses to opt post 12th, this particular video is for you, and make sure you watch this particular video till the end. The first one we have is the traditional course, which is called the Bachelor of Commerce. The next we have is the BAF. So this particular course is called a Bachelor in Accounting and Finance, and also BCom in Accounting and Finance. The third we have is the BSM. Now, BSM as a course will give you Bachelor in Financial Markets and also called BCom in Financial Markets. The next in line is the BBI. Now, students who are interested in banking and insurance sector, this one would be for you because it is Bachelor in Banking and Insurance, and also called in certain colleges BCom in Banking and Insurance. Now, next we have is the BBA FIA. This particular course, which is offered by one of the colleges, is Bachelor in Business Administration and has specialization in Financial Investment Analysis. The next we have is the BBA. The regular Bachelor in Business Administration would be able to offer several specialization. Finance definitely would be one of them. The next we have is the IPM. Now, Integrated Program in Management, one of the very famous courses, would again be able to offer you specialization in the last 2 years, and finance will be one of them. The last but not the least is a BSc in Finance course, which is offered by a top university.